चलो लेसन 9।
लेसन 9।
I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. I wish woman hears him take this magic wand. She says and all your wishes can come true. A giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of tree. I want a long neck, says little monkey. Pop. His neck grows long, just like the giraffe's. Little monkey is happy. An elephant comes down to the river. He fills his trunk with water. He blows it all over himself. I want to do that too, says little monkey. Bung. Just like that, he grows a trunk. He is very happy. This is fun, he says. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. I want strip like those, he says, wished. Little monkey has strip all over his body, just like the zebra. He is very happy. He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. He looks down. He sees himself in the water. Mother, he cries, help, a monster. Lesson 10. Haldi's adventure. One morning, as Haldi walked to school, she met a giraffe. The giraffe wore big glasses and held a book in his hand. He smiled and said, "Good morning, Haldi." Haldi looked up at him. I am sorry to start, she said, but I have never met a giraffe,
giraffe,
like
like
you.
you.
My
My
name
name
is
is
Smiley,
smiling,
said
said
the
the
giraffe.
giraffe.
Whenever
Whenever
you
you
see
see
me,
me,
you
you
will
will
smile.
smile.
Haldi
was
was surprised
surprised
and
and
happy
happy
too.
too.
Then
Then
she remembered
remember
that
that
she
she
would
would
be
be
late
late
for
for
school.
school.
So
So
she said
said
to
to
the
the
giraffe,
giraffe,
I
I
would
would
love
love
to
to
talk
talk
to
to
you,
you,
but
but
I
I
must
must
rush
rush
to
to
school
school
or
or
I
I
will
will
be
be
late.
late.
The
The
giraffe
said
not
if
you
you
ride
ride
on
on
my
my
back.
back,
If
if
you
you
climb
climb
on
on
my
my
back,
back,
I
I
will
will
run so
so
fast
fast
that
that
you
you
will
will
feel
feel
you are
are
flying
trying
to
to
school.
school.
Do you
You
go
go
to school
school
every day?
every day.
Yes,
Yes,
said
said
Haldi.
Haldi.
I
I
go
go
to school
school
on Mondays,
Mondays,
Tuesdays,
Tuesdays,
Wednesdays,
Wednesdays,
Thursdays,
Thursdays,
and Fridays.
Fridays.
On Saturdays,
Saturdays,
I
I
play
play
games
games
at
at
school.
school.
What
What
do
do
you
you
do
do
in
in
school?
school?
Asked
Ask
the
the
giraffe.
giraffe.
I
I
learn
learn
about
about
the
the
stars,
stars,
the
the
trees,
trees,
the birds,
birds,
and
and
the
the
animals.
animals.
That
That
is
is
good,
good.
said
Said
the
the
giraffe.
giraffe.
I
I
love
love
books
books
too.
too.
They
Are
are lots
lots
of
of
fun.
fun.
Now jump
Jump
on
on
my
my
back.
back.
I
I
will
will
take
take
you
you
to
to
school.
school.
Haldi
Haldi
then
then
jumped
jumped
on
on
the
the
giraffe's
giraffe
back
and
found
found
that
that
she
could
could see
see
so many
many
things
things
from
from
the
the
top, and before
before
she could eat,
eat
she had reached the school
school
playground. She climbed down
down
when she turned back to thank the giraffe. She found that he had gone away. Oh, Haldi thought, what a wonderful adventure I have had. अगला पार्ट देख लेते हैं. लेसन 11. my computer.
My computer.
I have
Have
a
a
magic
magic
box.
box.
We
We
call it
it
the
the
computer.
computer.
All
All
you
you
do
do
can
can
be
be
seen
seen
on
on
its
its
monitor.
monitor.
It
It
has
has
a
a
keyboard
keyboard
and
and
is
is
run
run
by
by
a
a
mouse.
mouse.
It
It
has
has
a
a
processing
processing
unit
unit
which
which
is
is
the
the
brain
brain
house.
house.
You
You
can see
see
me
me
hear
hear
songs
song
with
with
the
the
headphone
headphone
on,
on
and
and
if
if
you
you
want
want
it
it
louder,
louder.
there
Are
are speakers
speakers
full
full
on.
on.
I
I
can
can
play
play
games
games
on
on
it
it
and
and
solve
solve
many
many
riddles,
riddles.
paint
Paint
and draw
draw
and
and
build
build
and get
get
answer
answer
to
to
puzzles.
puzzle.
A type
Type
my
my
name
name
on
on
the
the
keyboard
keyboard
and
and
you
you
know
know
what
what
is
is
more.
more.
It
It
comes
comes
out
out
of
of
the
the
printer
printer
and
and
I
I
can
can
paste
press
it
it
on
on
my
my
door.
door.
Lesson 12.
Lesson 12.
The
The
magic
magic
provide
provide
code.
code.
Once
Once
there
there
was
was
a
a
little
little
girl
girl
named
named
Tara.
Tara.
She
She
lived
lived
with
with
her
her
mother.
mother.
They
They
were
were
very
very
poor.
poor.
One
One
day
day
she
she
went
went
to
to
a
a
forest.
forest.
There
There
she
she
met
met
an
an
old
old
woman.
woman.
The
The
old
old
woman
woman
gave
gave
her
her
a
a
pot.
pot.
She
She
said,
said,
"This
"This
is
is
a
a
magic
magic
pot.
pot.
I
I
will
will
cook,
cook,
provide
provide
for
for
you
you
when
when
you
you
say,
say,
cook,
cook,
pot,
pot,
cook.
cook.
It
It
will
will
stop
stop
making.
making.
Provide
Provide
when
when
you
you
say,
say,
stop,
stop,
pot,
pot,
stop.
stop.
Tara
Tara
was
was
very
very
happy.
happy.
She
Say,
ran
run
to
to
her
her
mother
mother
and
and
said,
said,
"Mother,
"Mother,
he we
we
will
will
no
no
longer
longer
be
be
hungry
hungry
as
as
I
I
have
have
got
got
a
a
magic
magic
pot."
pot."
Tara
Tara
said
said
to
to
the
the
pot,
pot,
"Cook, pot,
pot,
cook."
cook,
And
and
the
the
pot
pot
cooked,
cooked,
provide
provide
her
her
mother
mother
was
was
very
very
happy
happy
and
and
they
they
both
bought
8
8
प्रोराइड
right
वंस
one
वन है ना वन डे
day
व्हेन
when
तारा
Tara
हैड
had
गॉन
gone
आउट
out
हर
her
मदर
mother
फेल्ड
had
हंग्री
hungry
सी
she
सैड
said
टू
to
द
the
पोट
pot
कुक
to
पोट
pot
कुक
cook
द
the
पोट
pot
स्टार्ट
start
कुकिंग
cooking
प्रोराइड
provide
आफ्टर
after
ईटिंग
eating
ईट
eat
हर
her
मदर
mother
सैड
said
डू
do
नॉट
not
कुक
cook
pot
pot
but
but
the
the
put
put
when
when
on
on
cooking
cooking
soon
soon
the
the
provide
provide
start
start
spilling
spilling
on
on
the
the
floor
floor
mother
mother
called
called
out
out
again
again
wait
wait
do
do
not
not
cook
cook
any
any
more
more
but
but
the
the
pot
pot
did
did
not
not
stop
stop
mother
mother
ran
ran
out
out
of
of
the
the
house
house
and
and
provide
provide
followed
follow
her
her
soon
soon
there
there
was
was
provide
provide
everywhere
everywhere
the
the
whole
whole
village
village
so
so
saw
saw
it
it
they
they
ran
ran
to
to
eat
eat
the
the
provide
provide
when
when
Tara
Tara
came
came
back
back
she
she
saw
saw
that
that
the
the
road
road
was
was
full
full
of
of
provide
provide
she
she
ran
ran
home
home
as
as
fast
fast
as
as
the
the
could
could
she
see
had
hard
to
to
mother
mother
see out
see out
Tara
Tara
the
the
pot
pot
is
is
cooking
cooking
and
and
it
it
will
will
not
not
stop
stop
Tara
Tara
called
called
out
out
stop
stop
pot
pot
stop
stop
and
and
it
it
stopped
stop it
cooking
cooking
provide
provide